Hey, amazing teachers! Have you tried using can-do statements to track your students' progress? They're a game changer. Instead of relying on vague impressions or overwhelming checklists, these statements give you a crystal clear picture of what students can do with the language. For example, if you're assessing speaking skills, try this. I can describe my daily routine using 5 sentences in present tense. Give students 2 to 3 minutes to prepare and then share aloud. You'll instantly see where they are thriving and where they need more practice. It's quick, simple, and super effective. For listening, here's a strategy you can use tomorrow. Play a short audio clip or read a story aloud and pair it with a can-do like, I can understand the main idea of a short story in the target language. Then, have students write or say one sentence summarizing what they heard. You'll get immediate feedback on their comprehension without the stress of formal testing. Plus, they'll feel proud checking off what they've accomplished. Progress tracking and confidence building? Win-win. Ready for the next level? Join me at the Comprehended 2025 conference at mm.us/conference to learn more about using can-do statements in innovative, actionable ways. You'll walk away with strategies to make your assessments even easier and more effective. Don't miss it. I'll see you there.